Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today I've got something from James from Lakeside, California. He strikes again with another box. I don't know what's in here. He didn't warn me about it, but every time he sends something, man, thank you so much. Wow, cool. Well, let's see what's inside. So he left a note in here. It says, I saw these and I know you like spicy stuff and kimchi, so enjoy. So let's take a look. Well, this obviously isn't what he's referring to in the note, but I've never seen this before, a box version of garlic pho. This sounds interesting. It is Snapdragon. Not particularly fond of this brand, but I'm very curious. Need to find something in a new form factor, so thanks. Interesting. Okay, so this is a new variety from Monraku. They've got just scads of different varieties, and this is a Kimchi Udon. I'm really fat. Yeah, udon spicy kimchi jigai taste. So this might be kind of like budai jigai. It's showing peppers and Napa cabbage on it. So interesting. Oh, wow. You know, I've heard of this before. This is Neostar Ramen Delight, and I'm pretty sure my buddy Stumpy from North Little Rock got some of this, and he was like, that stuff is bad. And I don't know, though. I mean, I'll find out. But I'm very curious. Savory chicken flavor. I'm wondering, where the heck is this made? I don't know. Distributed by Neostar. So some company makes this. It's a private label. But, wow, cool. Thank you. And another Monraku variety, hot and spicy with chili garlic. This sounds interesting. Monraku just keeps coming out with so many different things. I couldn't even imagine how many SKUs they have at this point, really. There's got to be about, 20, 30 varieties come in these little bowls? Cool. Well, cool. Another big thank you yet again to James from Lakeside, California for shooting this over. That's super cool of you, man. I really appreciate it. I'm thrilled to try all these. It's nice. It's nice. All right. Well, cool. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.